I've run out of room on the table for any more models, so I'm going to make a half section. It's coming on. Should be alright. Because I've just bought a bandsaw, the Titan from Screwfix. And I thought I'd try and mill my own lumber. I won't get much through there, but little cherry logs do the job. Cut that off of there first. Went through there, not too much of a problem. It's a bit wet, but I'll dry them. Two more there. Cut through that. Then I'll put it on that circular saw table. Cut the rest of it. It's got a bigger blade that rips through it quick. I took the blade off and just to see how it came off. It took a bit of a faff doing it the first time, putting it back on, because I wanted to set the track in to get the gullet in the middle, and that's the tracking knob on the end there. That tensions it. Well, releases tension, that tensions in it. And yeah, there you go. All I did to get that washer off that's holding it was just squeeze it with a pair of pliers, and it deforms it into a round shape again. You can pull it off, do what you have to do on the end, and then push the washer back on, screw it back on. If it's too loose, just squeeze it again and tightens it up. Everybody on YouTube is complaining about the length of this thing and taking ages to screw in and out, but nobody came up with any answers. So that's mine, and it works. I don't know whether it'll invalidate the warranty, but anyway, shouldn't. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. Made a couple of boxes to start with, bandsaw boxes to start, just to see how it went. Going to get a new blade for it. That blade's all right at the moment, but I've heard that the one it comes with wears out pretty quick, so I'm going to get a smaller number of teeth as well for deeper cuts. Yeah, making a bit of stock already. So all in all, I'm pleased so far, but I've only had it a week. Titan from Screwfix. There you go. Yep, I'll have a tidy up.